Dyana's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some rice and peas. Alright, let's go. This is the peas, guys. This is red peas. Okay. I'm going to use 2 cups of red peas, guys. Alright. This is 2 cups of red peas. Alright. And guys, if you want to use the one in the bag, you can go ahead and use the one in the bag. Okay. This is the fine one though. I don't like the fine one. So this is the big one. Alright. So this one is kidney bean. Okay. So I'm going to just two cups here. Alright, I like to wash it in this. Alright, this is like a pasta bowl. I like to wash it in the pasta bowl because when I wash it in the pot, sometimes it still leave like a little dirt at the bottom of the pot, so I don't like that. So I like to wash it in these. When I wash it in the pasta bowl, you know, all the dirt is out. Alright, when I finish washed it and everything, put it on the stove, I'm going to put a little garlic. Okay, this is the garlic. You can use this or you can use the garlic powder. Okay, and you can use this. This is a ginger. This is thyme, a little thyme. Okay, and this is coconut milk powder. All right, you can use this one or you can use the one in the box. Okay, and this is some pepper. Okay, this is when you season up your this is when you season up the liquid. I will show you how to season it up. Okay, and if you have scallion, you can use the scallion, but if you don't have scallion like me, I don't have scallion today, so I'm using onion. Okay, it's fine if you don't have scallion, don't worry about it. Okay, and you're gonna put some salt. Okay, all right, so I will show you what I'm doing here in the sink. So I'm washing it right now. Guys, make sure you wash it, okay? That's the one to make sure you wash it. See that, guys? I don't have to worry about the dirt. Okay? So I just rub it like this, guys. Okay? You see that? And then what I'm doing, guys, I just dump it in my pot. You see that there's no dirt in the bottom of this. That's what I like. Alright? You see that, guys, the water is pretty clean. And I like that. So guys, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to hold this of water. Because the peas have to boil. And sometimes the peas take a long time. Okay, if the pea is tough, it takes a long time sometimes, guys. Okay? So I'm going to use a teaspoon of garlic in this. Okay, so this is a teaspoon of garlic I'm using. Alright. So this is my water, guys. Alright, that's it. And then I'm going to put some ginger powder. Okay, I'm going to put like a teaspoon of ginger powder. Guys, for you, you can measure it, okay? You can measure it. For me, sometimes I don't really measure because I know what I'm doing. I'm using like a teaspoon of ginger. Okay. Then you're going to put some salt. Okay. I'm going to put like a teaspoon of salt. Okay. Alright, guys. So now I'm going to put it to boil. Okay. So this is it, guys. I'm going to put it to boil right now. Alright. Sometimes to boil it, guys, it take a while. Okay. This is it, guys. It's boiling really nice. So guys, you can make this boil for about 45 minutes, okay? Because the peas is tough. Alright? Just keep on test the peas. Okay, just keep on use a fork or a spoon, whatever you. So this is the peas. Here is it. So the peas cook, guys. Here's it. As you can see, guys, it's cooked. It's hot. Woo! You see? Cook. Woo. Show that over there. So it's cooked, guys. Alright. So right now, guys, it's on the stove for about 45 minutes. Alright. See, as I told you, some peas soft, some peas tough. Alright, but if you use the pressure quicker. The pressure maybe take about 30 minutes. Alright, or less. Alright, but this cooking for about 45 minutes. So now I'm gonna put the seasoning into it. Alright. So now I'm gonna put the powder. Alright. This is the coconut powder. I'm putting in it right now. Okay. That's the coconut powder, guys. And if I told you if you don't have scallion, it's okay to put some onion. Just cut the onion big, okay? You don't want to cut it up, just cut it big. All you need is a flavor. All right, that's all you need, the flavor. So don't cut it up, just cut it big. So once it cooks, you can take the onion out. All right, so now I'm gonna put some thyme, okay? And you can put some pepper, all right? You just cut off piece of pepper in there, and you can put another whole of pepper in there for the flavor, okay? And then I'm gonna put some Jamaican seasoned salt. If you don't want to use this one, you can use the all-purpose seasoned salt, okay? But I'm gonna put some Jamaican seasoned salt. This is maybe a teaspoon of seasoned salt, okay? And guys, I'm gonna put some butter, okay? I'm gonna put some butter. If you don't want to put any butter, guys, it's fine. I'm just put a little butter, okay? And if what you can do, if you don't have butter, you can put a drop of oil, all right? So guys, this is it. Okay, so right now I'm gonna let it cook right now for about 10 minutes because I want the season to cook with the peas. I want everything to combine together, so I'm gonna make it cook out for around 10 minutes. And after the 10 minutes, I'm gonna come back and put in my rice. Okay, and what you can do too, guys, if you have sugar, you can put a pinch of brown sugar or white sugar, just a pinch. I said just a pinch, okay? So this is it, guys. All right, so I will get back to you and show you how I put in my rice in the next 10 minutes, okay? Okay, so guys, this is 2 cups of rice, okay? Another cup, but I'm gonna throw another some in there. So guys, this is 4 cups. All right, so basically, if so, say you're cooking 2 cups of 2 cups of rice, you're gonna need 4 cups of water. If you cook 1 cups of rice, you're gonna need 2 cups of water. All right, so you can add that, okay? So right now I just chose 4 cups of rice, okay? So I'm gonna wash it and throw it in my pot and show you, okay? So I'm putting in my rice right now, guys, okay? And this is 4 cups of rice, guys, okay? Okay, guys. Here it is. So once this finished cook, guys, I'm gonna take the onion out, okay? But I want the onion cooked with it, all right? And guys, if you're stirring it up and you feel like there's a lot of water in it, just just use a bowl or something and take out some of the water and throw in the rice bowl that you washed it with, all right? And you can keep on throw water in it. If you see it looks tough or so on, you keep on throw water in it, okay? There is no perfection in cooking. All right, just take your time, keep turn on the stove, put the stove on medium heat. Let it take time and cook, okay? Don't put too much water in your rice, guys, all right? Because if you put a lot of water, the rice will be very soft. You don't want that, okay? You don't want that, guys, all right? Okay, so guys, I'm gonna cover this right now, okay? Have I told you before? 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water. All right, so you can add when you're cooking rice, just add that. All right, so I'm gonna let this cook. Okay, guys, this is the rice. Here it is. It's finished, guys. It was on the stove for about 20 minutes, okay, to dry. All right, what I do, guys, I put file paper over it. All right. If you feel like you want to put a file paper over it, if the rice too tough, you can do that, okay, guys? To steam the rice out, okay? So now I'm gonna share the rice, guys. Okay. So this is it, guys. This is my rice and peas. Okay. With my file paper over it to steam it. And what I'm gonna eat with it, guys, I'm gonna eat some fish with it. Okay, so this is the fish. So you can basically eat anything you want to eat, anything your heart desire. Okay, but this is my fish that I'm gonna eat with my rice and peas. Okay, all right, this is some whiting that I'm gonna eat with my rice and peas. Okay, and then I'm gonna put and make some, here is it, I make some vegetable here. All right, I'm just gonna put it at the side. If you want to put it on top of your fish, you can go ahead and do that too. Okay, so this is it, guys. So this is my rice and peas and fish. All right, with vegetable at the side. Okay, so this is it, guys. If you want me to make something, please let me know. Okay, and if you like this video, subscribe. All right, and if you like, share. Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you.